Want to upload any sound or music to Roblox on your PC or laptop? This usually just takes a few simple steps right inside Roblox Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest way to upload audio on Roblox. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the roblox.com site on your browser. Then click on the Create tab. From the left menu, click on Creations. Now go to the Development Items. Then click on the Audio tab. Here it shows you some basic requirements. The format must be in .mp3, .ogg, .flac, or .wav. And the max size per file should be 20 megabytes. If your file met the requirements, then click on Upload Assets. Then here, select your asset type to audio. Then click on Upload. Select your file and hit OK. Here you can also set a name and description for your audio file. And finally hit Upload. Your audio file will be uploaded. And that's it. That's how you can upload any audio to Roblox the right way. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.